Hey, before this video starts, I would like to mention that I have these channels. I have a Twitch and a second channel. Please go follow/subscribe to them if you like to see other content. Now please enjoy the video.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to the most liked series on my
Vlaire
channel for this year, Windows NT 4.0 terminal server. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at some more things that Windows terminal server has for us to look at. So, let's go ahead and let's start the terminal server. I have just now pressed the power button, and as you can see, all the lights are glowing up. And the screen is displaying its things. Terminal server is now booting up. I forgot to set a delay, so I'll have to edit that a little bit. And I have to edit the BIOS settings for the Windows 95 computer. Which is no surprise, as the CMOS battery in this computer is, well, dead. Oh, I just hit my tripod. Whoops. For those who didn't know, down here I actually have a little mini fridge. So I can grab stuff from out of here. Alright, so the first thing when it comes to Windows Terminal Server is that you can use your Office installation and put it on your terminal server computer and install it. And then you can tell your Office installation to install on all users, so all of the users on your terminal server computer can use the Office application, which means that if you have another user log in to the computer on a different login, they can use the same documents and the same version of Office without having to bring the CD from the computer onto the other computer. Let's go ahead and let's install Office. Because for some random reason, I think when I reinstalled Terminal Server OS, I guess I forgot to install Office 97. Hopefully this goes well. Okay. Yeah. Now it's gonna go through installing it. Okay, so I believe the terminal server computer is done install. Yeah, okay. It's successfully installed. Okay, so we can exit out of that, go to our start menu, and oh, look at that. We got a new Office document and open an Office document, so that's great. So, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to go onto the Windows 95 computer and go into Programs, Terminal Server Client, launch that, connect, and instead of, well, actually what we can do is we can actually have them connected on different accounts and create documents that way, but that's boring. Anyone could do that, literally. But what we'll do is we'll log in to the admin account on here. So we have two users logged into the same account, all right? Same account. This one's logged into the admin account, as you could see. And then over here, we have the terminal server logged into the admin account as well. So how this works is that what I believe is that basically there's multiple, they're basically the same account, but I guess there's like a temp account if you have like multiple users logged in to each other. But if you save like a file on if you save a file onto the desktop or something, it will show on the other computer that is logged into the same account, I'm pretty sure. So to test this, we'll go ahead and close this, and we could just simply create a, let's just create, yeah, an HTML thing here. And I didn't even rename it or anything. So as you can see, there's our HTML file that we just created. And if we go over to the other computer, the terminal server, as you can see, the HTML file is right there. So you could edit files on the fly, but this does not mean you could have multiple users editing the same file at the same time. That's not how it works. What you would have to do if you wanted to do something like that is save every single line of text that you put into the certain file or application or whatever, and you would have to keep on saving it over and over again. So we'll just have this named that. We'll edit this. Yeah, we'll open it up with Word, I suppose. Hello World. Okay, so we'll open this up in Internet Explorer, and as you can see, it shows up of what I entered, which is Hello World. So we'll just exit out of this for now, and then let's go on to the terminal server computer right here. I'll go ahead and open up this file. It does the same thing. I'll close out of it, and I'll edit this file again and say, oh, well, this is a edito. Open up our file, and there's our edit. Go ahead and close it. Go back to the other computer. Open up the same file, and look at that. It shows our edit of the exact same file that is on, well, the desktop. And I'll go ahead and quickly delete this file because we don't really need it anymore. So that's a little bit of a demonstration of what Windows Terminal Server can do. It's pretty cool. What else is there? Let's look at some other stuff and eject the Office CD. And I'll put this back inside of my CD cover. And if you hear like some music in the background, yes, I'm playing music in the background. It's that little speaker right there, right here. This one, I believe you guys can see it. I did install Half-Life on here. Yeah, okay. I have to insert the Half-Life CD. When it comes to gaming on from the terminal server client, that's a different story because let me actually reconnect. So if I go into properties here and then settings, the terminal server client only displays 256 colors. So it's not full true color like the Voodoo 3 that we have installed on this computer, which uses true color, I'm pretty sure. Or let me walk over here and see. Let's play some Half-Life, shall we? And let me replace my camera battery as well. Oh yeah, much better. So now it's using not the software encoder, but the graphics card encoder, also known as OpenGL, and it's pretty smooth. Yeah, it's pretty smooth, 60 FPS, I believe. Or why is it taking so long to open the damn door? Oh, thank you. Coomer? Yeah, Coomer! See if I can b-hop. If I actually can try. Yeah, I could sort of do it in this game. So I'm pretty sure if we tried to run Half-Life through the terminal server client on, say, the Windows 95 computer, let me just connect to it real quick. New game, since this is a new computer, put it on easy. and the game crashes because the graphics card is not acceptable for this game, so we can't run it on through the terminal server client because it doesn't know that it's running on something like this, so it just crashes automatically because it doesn't know what to do. If you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you guys want to see more videos on the terminal server, then please like the video, and I will see if I can make another episode showing off what the terminal server OS can do. So until then, I will see you guys later in the next video. Bye bye.